Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you to understand the impact of trade price on backtesting results. Trade price represents the price point where buy or sell decisions are cemented. The selection of this price, especially when backtesting, is pivotal to the authenticity of your results. We offer three options: current close, next close, and next open. Current close refers to the immediate execution of a trade when a trading signal occurs, with the execution price based on the closing price of the same trading day. Next open in this context means that when a trading signal appears, the system will postpone the trade to the next trading day and use the opening price as the execution price. The corresponding next close means that when a trading signal appears, the system will postpone the trade to the next trading day and use the closing price as the execution price. Now, let's move on to the form section. When creating a new backtest, the default setting for the trade price is current close section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the trade price and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Trade Price option. The current trade price for the backtest is set to next close. Next, choose your desired trade price from the drop-down menu. You'll see three options: next open, next close, and current close. Now, let's set the trade price to current close. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest using next close as the trade price. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, slight variations in the data were observed due to different trade price options. Analyzing individual trades, in comparison to using current close as the trade price in the backtest, using next close as the trade price will postpone the trading date by 1 day and result in a different trade price. Therefore, in real-world trading, you can choose the appropriate trade price based on your trading strategy. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the trade price feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.